Okay, so here's another example, and my random variable is TU, which is the time it takes to unbox a bike, and TB, which is the time it takes to build the bike. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to find TT, which is the total time to unbox and build the bike. Okay, so to do that, total time equals, okay, it's the total time to unbox, so that would be TU plus total time to build the bike. Okay, so to find the expected value of total time, that's the same thing as asking to unbox and build. So using my formula, or just using some common sense, that's going to be the expected value of time it takes to unbox plus the average time it takes to build the bike that way. Okay, so what's the expected value to unbox, which would be 4 minutes, plus the probability it takes to build the bike, which would be 23 minutes, which equals 27 minutes. So on average, it's going to take 27 minutes to unbox and build the bike. Okay, so now I want to know the standard deviation of the total time, which we would do. We don't want to work with that. We want to square that. If I square that, that's equal to the variance of the total time, which equals the variance. What is total time equal to? TU plus TB, which equals, okay, using our formula, it's the variance of TU plus the variance of TB. And what has to be true to use this formula? This has to be true. Okay, without um, that condition, we wouldn't be able to do this. Okay, so let's look. The variance of TU. Now they don't give us the variance, but they give you the what? The standard deviation. So the variance of TU is 4 minutes. Okay, and we are adding here. So we want to add. What's the variance of the time it takes to build the bike, which is 8 minutes. Okay, so that's going to be 64 minutes. Okay, so total, the variance is 68 minutes. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to find the standard deviation. So the standard deviation of the total time equals the square root of 68 minutes. Okay, so it's going to be a little over 8. Okay, which is kind of true because this is 8, it's going to be a little bit more. But let me give an exact number. Not sure if my calculator's up. There it is. So square root of 68, 8.25, I'll say 8.25 minutes. Okay, so that's the mean. Okay, so that's how you work with those. And I'm going to do one more quick example. And before I do that, I want to say that these are normal. Okay, these were normal. The times followed a normal distribution. The next one's going to follow normal, and I'll use it a little more. Hey, I did a fast video. That's good.